Really big driveway we just installed out here in Burke, Virginia. Curving gutter. The guy had a lot of estimates. He decided to go with Wright's concrete. We fabricate and design water systems, and he had a big water problem here, and we accommodated him in that area. As you can see, later I'll put some other pictures in before. So we sloped everything properly for drainage. They're still making saw cuts over here, so it might be a little loud. We installed Flagstone window wells to make it look very pretty. Everything is sloped properly away from the house, so water won't go towards the house. As you can see, another picture from the back. Very nice, beautiful job. Really happy with the work these guys have done here. It'll be wrapped up today, finish up. They're still making saw cuts for the other window wells they're installing here. We're going to bring topsoil, which we have over here, to slope the rest of the dirt. Excuse me, slope everything away from the house. Also, we install a Pennsylvania blue pattern blue flagstone in front of the house. Job turned out absolutely beautiful. The guy is super happy here. I'm going to get another back. The movers are actually the people. This guy came from Korea, and he's just moving in his house. So I'm going to get a picture from the very back where we started. So it's a pretty big job, as you can see. The driveway. Sorry for moving stuff in the way. You're seeing boxes. But very nice job. Wright's concrete, we got it going on.